Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've done some little braided crochets on my head, and I want to show you guys the trick to getting them to look just a little bit more natural, because I've never had braided crochets. I've always tried twist, the large twist. Those are my favorite, but I wanted to see if I could get these to look as natural as possible, and I think I did achieve that. Now, when I went on Amazon, I've seen these little packets, these little tiny packets right here. I was like, this is not going to be enough, but I took my chances and filled my head up. It looks like enough on my head, but if you like your hair to be super filled up and filled in, then you're going to need to buy 2 packets. Yes, I said it's $20. It is $20, but you're going to need more, okay? Your girl made it work for what she had that's just what I did. So this here is going to be my braid pattern. The smaller you do the braids in the front, the better. I did not do my braids that small in the front, but the smaller the better. When it comes down to braiding crochets, that's the best technique, and this braid right here is way too big. I could have made that way smaller. Like the section needs to be small so that it can actually look like these teeny tiny braids are coming from out your scalp. But the top of my head, I made them smaller anyway. But this is my braid pattern, and I'll talk more during this video. You guys can see my opinion and the way I styled my hair. So out of 8 packs, I've used 3 packs so far. So I'm gonna try to jumble all of this like at the lower level, and then the other 4 packs. So it should be enough. I'm hoping it's enough. I've been over here trying to see how it would look like once I do my little baby hairs and stuff like that, trying to see if it would be cute, because I usually don't wear color hair, okay? So this is new to me. This is new, all new. I just want to try something different. We're gonna see how it look, because y'all see I did the top. These keep coming out. I don't know. I've done crochets plenty of times before, but not braiding crochet. I've done the twist like plenty of times. The real long twists, I love those, because all you have to do is do the little braids in the front and then pull your hair through the twist, and then it'll be fabulous. So I'm hoping that I could get this to look good. So I'm hoping that I can do a style or something to make it look presentable, because I have to fix all of this. Put something right here, put some swoops right there, make it look like, you know, the braids is braided. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to do something cute to make it look good. I'm not done yet, obviously, but I don't know. Hopefully it'll look cute when I'm done. I'm gonna have to put, like I did this side, I put the 2 at the top. I put 2 packs of these at the top because it comes to 8 packs. So what I realized was, in order to make it look really, really full, because I don't want the top portion to look not full when I go out, is to, at this bottom part right here, just put like a little bit of the crochets at the bottom. But at the top, put majority of the pack at the top so it can be nice and full like this. It's like really full. So that's what I just figured I'm gonna do, because I don't think these 8 packs is enough, honestly. If you like a real full head and you don't want no gaps or nothing like that, because it might be some gaps. So it might be some gaps like here, right here is going to be a gap, I can tell. So by me doing this at the top portion right here in this area, I'm definitely going to have a lot of crochets there to cover this gap. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay. Alright, so I'm getting there. Almost. Alright, so I put that other 1/2 pack on over here. So now I'm gonna just, I gotta start up here now, because I need to make up here thick so that this don't, I need to make up here thick. Just like I got this side thick, I need to go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the front area and not mess around, because I don't want to be messing around, put a whole bunch in the back and then the front is thick, is thin, because that's not what I'm going for. Okay, so I don't really like it. I figured I wasn't gonna like it. But it's pretty, like, it's a pretty concept. But first of all, I didn't have enough, so 1 pack is not gonna be enough. It's a pretty color, but 1 pack is not enough. Okay, so I'm gonna try to style this and see if I can come up with some, because I need some pictures. Somebody might like it. It's crochet braids. They're braided, and this is literally how I have it, but I want to style it. So this, yeah, I don't know. I just don't, I'm not feeling it. This looks crazy for some reason. I guess because it's not what I usually wear. It's just something like that. The number 1 trick I found out for this is to make your braids, your braiding braids, as tiny as possible so that the actual crochet braids can look like it's coming from your scalp, just like this, where these first couple of braids I did them super small. So that's the trick to making these actually look really good. My sides, I don't have no hair for real, so I would have to go back and add in more hair on my sides, because I'm bald really on my sides, but on the top of my head I have a lot of hair up there. So that's why I was able to make these small cornrows. That's what I meant, small cornrows, and then put the crochets on the cornrows so it can actually look like the braids are coming from my scalp. And I wanted the front to be more fuller, but I ran out of packets of hair. So you're gonna need like several packs, not just the 8 packs.